Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add an outline to an image in Canva. As you can see, I am into Canva and here we are going to create an image. So we are going to click on create button, then custom size, whatever the size you want. You can simply write it over here, the width and the height in the pixel. Okay, create new design. Okay, first of all, let us add a background to this particular white board. So we are going into the elements and then we are going to search for background. Okay, and then photos, and in the photos we are going to add any random background, right? Okay, for suppose I have selected this one. Now we are going to add this image into the background. So we are going to click on these triple dot button over the image and then click on set image as background. Okay, done. Now we are going to add a image. So we are again going to click on elements and here we are going to search for soft drink. Okay, so as you can see, there are some photos and graphics, right? So we are going to see all photos and we are going to select this one. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to remove the background using background remover. Okay, it's done. Now we are going to add outline to this particular object. So for editing this particular object, we just need to click on the edit button, and here in the left side toolbar we need to go to effects, and here as you can see there is an effect of shadows. So we have clicked on shadows and here in the shadows we are going to select the outline. Okay, now the outline color is black, as you can see. So we need to change the color. So we have scrolled down and here we will select the white color. We can also change the intensity, right, of this outline, as well as we can increase and decrease the size, right? So whatever the size you want, you can simply keep that size, and this is how you can simply add an outline to an image or an object in Canva. Apart from that, if you want to learn more about Canva, you can simply subscribe our YouTube channel.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.